Hey guys! So, today in this video, I'll be showing you how to create your own extension. So, the extension will work for Chrome and, what's it called? Opera. So, you're going to want to go to EXTENSION Extensionizer. So, extensionizer.com, and I'm not sure if I typed it incorrectly. Is it? Then you're going to want to click where it says extensionizer.com. So extensionizer, it's basically a boilerplate. It won't create the extension for you. It'll basically give you the template, the basic template and information you need. So you can hover your mouse over here on top of them to see what kind of it is. So for me, I want it to be a browser action. I'll keep it as HTML. No options page. You can also have it inject CSS or JavaScript. Then when you're done, you're going to click to download it. It'll generate the download, then you'll get the download. Now you're going to want to open up your downloads folder. So as you guys can see, I'm in my downloads folder. Now you're going to want to extract it. Extract here. The ext folder is the folder you want. You can rename ext to anything you want. So so the icon is is what the icon will be. If you right click on Windows and click Properties, it'll show you what the size of the image, how many pixels and whatnot it is. And as you can see, so the numbers that it gives you will tell you how many pixels it is, so you won't have to open up the properties. So you're going to want to use create your icon and put it there, and that's what the icon will be. Like as you can see for those. So I'm going to keep it the same as you guys can see. And then once you're done with that, we're going to be going into the technical part now. So right here you see the manifest JSON. On Linux, I recommend Notepad QQ. Windows, I recommend Notepad++. So you're going to want to open it. So as you see here, the name where it says change this extension boilerplate. This you will change it to what you want the name of your extension to be. I'll name it to be Gunmetal Orb 73's test extension. I'll change the version from 0.01 to be to version 1.0. Manifest version 2. Description. So the description is like, I'll show you. So opera // extensions. As you guys can see, like is there. #1 browser extension for protecting crypto enthusiasts, whatnot. So I'll change this to I'll change the description to be this is a demo extension. Homepage URL. I'll go to youtube.com. So I'll set the homepage thing to that. So I'll open this up, homepage URL. Oh, and the homepage URL is required. You can't just skip it. So over here, these are the names of what the icons will be, whatnot. So let's see, default local English, page browser action. Okay, good. So now we're done with that part. I'll close out of that, and now I'm going to go into SRC browser action, and then I want to edit that. So I recommend the Blue Griffin. It's an HTML editor. To be exact, what you see is what you get. So I'm going to just download the code for my YouTube channel, basically. Save as ext complete. Now save. Good. Now browser action. Okay, good. Good. Rename. Wait, no, not rename. I wanna open it up with Notepad QQ. Let's see. Yes, I want to continue. Good. Okay, so I'm going to just copy all the code for the HTML from my YouTube channel. So Control A, copy. I'm just gonna do Control C. Control C. I'm gonna close out in Notepad QQ. Source. So the source is basically the code. I don't queue up or whatever's showing up. What just happened? Okay, that's better. So so as I said the source is the is basically the code for the HTML file. So it didn't get copied for some reason, so I'm going to open it up again and then edit it. So let's copy it, I guess. So I just copied the code and pasted it, and your code won't be this complex. Let's see. Can you find the file at home gunmetal? Can't find the file at home gunmetal or 73 download browser underscore action. Okay. Well, so as you guys can see, right here I copied all that again. It shows it. So now I'm going to File, Save, Save As, I guess. Browser action.html, save, replace. So now we basically have it the extension ready. So you're going to want to go to Opera // extensions. Well, if you're on Chrome or a different Chrome web browser, type in Chrome / extension. With Chromium, let's type in Chrome / extension. So as you can see, I'm in developer mode. You're going to want to click developer mode, so you'll be in developer mode. Unpacked extension, downloads, ext, open. So as you guys can see, Gunmetal Orb 73's test extension. Now let's see what happens when we run it. What's just happened? Let's see, errors. Refuse to execute inline script because it violates the following content security policy directive. Script src shell Chrome extension resource. Either unsafe, unlikely, or if you're on like Chrome, I might have not gotten the error, I guess. So I'm going to edit the code, I guess. Source. So since the last one didn't work, I'll have it do let's see, insert form inputs text input field. I'll call the input field test. Okay. So now I have a input field. So let's see. I'll insert a HTML5 element or just a form, and I'll do a button. Let's see, where would the button be? Inputs. Found a button. I'll call it test. I wanna, and I'll name it test 1. Let's see. Submit. No, reset. Okay. So now I have a button. I'll go to the file, save. Now let's see what happens when I run it. Load unpacked extension, open, and as you guys can see, I have an input area and a button. So the button, as you guys can see, does nothing. Yeah, I'm sure you guys will make better extensions than this example extension. But I actually have an extension that's up in the Opera web store. I wonder when that'll be checked and whatnot, and be uploaded to the web store. My extension is very simple. It's basically just a fidget spinner that spins forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever, and it never stops spinning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and bye.